Hi everyone. My name is Syed. Welcome to Digital Marketing Leaders of Tomorrow, where we recognize people from our digital marketing internship program community who actually go ahead of the mile and do their best. So today we have Dr. Fatima Safi and Insia Safi, who is a mother and daughter duo, and who has done a great amazing work, who have actually won the top 5% badge also in this internship program. So I would like to introduce them. Dr. Fatima Safi, who works as a chemist in Kuwait Oil Company since 2009, and we have Insia Safi, who is pretty young, and she has recently completed her high school and now pursuing the interior designing from NIFT Indore. So welcome Dr. Fatima Safi and Insia Safi to our Digital Marketing Leaders of Tomorrow show. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Syed. I am really happy, and I'm getting this honor to to be a part of this interview. So, first of all, I will say good day, and how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing amazing, Dr. Fatima. Tell us about yourself, about your initial years of personal and professional life together. How you have been, come
Yeah.
across. Yeah.
Actually, basically, I am born and brought up in Hyderabad and have completed my graduation in Hyderabad. We have moved to Indore. From there, I have completed my post graduation MSc. So, and after there is another diploma I have taken 12 months. That is also computer, is related to computer only. This thing. Then after my marriage, I moved to Kuwait. Now, from since 2020, since 2000, I am here in Kuwait. So this is a very struggle life in Kuwait. Actually, people are thinking in Gulf countries people are staying very, but it's not like that. Different stories have the different individuals. My story is I have faced a lot of problems, especially when I was not able to get a good job in my own field. So I have struggled 8 years, but I never give up, and I never sit, and I was continuously putting my efforts to get a good job in my own field. Finally, I got in 2009. I started my journey with the oil company. Slowly, I gave a lot of things, and I have written one blog also. If you'll go to my blog, you will see all my stories there. In this, from the 2000, actually 15, my after 6 years of my job, I have drastic change in my life, that I started giving the corrosion related some exams, which is belongs to the USA and US and UK. After that, I feel like I am little more confident of my exam, so I can go for PhD. So around last 4.5 years, I was struggling for my PhD work, writing thesis, experiments, then research papers. I have published 5. So after that, I found your program. This is wonderful program because it will give a very good power to my actually work, which I can explore to the whole world, how this my corrosion field in the oil and gas industry can be more improved in the form of digital lifestyle. That is a very important, especially in the 2020, we can say, where world is going to be down in the form of business. People are losing their jobs, and people are having even business, they are having very low business now and struggling in the trade. And in that, it's very uh, good that with me, my daughter also learned in a very younger age. So you can just ask how she feel in that.
Yeah, definitely will. Definitely, I'll come over that. So basically, how this digital marketing internship has helped you personally to become a better version of yourself, and and how your daughter Insia has helped you to learn and able to do things faster. Because I see that you're little bit age. So for you, actually. Adopting to digital platform might be a challenging, right? So how your daughter Insia has played a role in fast track the learning, basically fast track of the learning in digital marketing. Yeah.
the reason is the brought up they're brought up is in my environment, and my environment always going to learn new things, innovations everywhere, new ideas I'm generating. So I am not going to teach them you do this and that. In fact, automatically they are getting trained by my everyday routine work, how I am trying to manage my time. First of all, time management is very important to achieve any goal. While if you're already working as a professional, so you have to save the time. How you're trying to save your time, and each and every minute you are taking it as a very important. Then, so what actually, they are very trained from the beginning itself. Another thing is, when I started, I just told her, see, I have started this digital marketing first online class. I feel very happy. If you feel like at least one time you go through that recording, maybe if you feel okay, you can continue, otherwise leave it. I just give one suggestion to her. She go on. After that second online class, there is no chance to leave. Finally she said, okay, I will write the blog. I said, just you write. Already I finished my thesis. I am very tired, and moreover it is a footwear, so you may be enjoying because you have nothing to do right now. So better if you keep your mind, different ideas into that blog, you will learn something out of that. So she started. After that, slowly it seems that she is my manager and just helping her. This is the condition, because she was continuously taking interest. She was putting a lot of efforts in finding good images, in how to write the blog and email marketing. Then especially website, she completely developed it. I have just to see what she's doing. I was just looking into that, because I also wanted to know the tools what you were explaining. So properly, she has taken as a complete task, and with irrespective of the day and night time, and no entertainment, nothing else, but only target is to complete this assignment, as well as how to earn the money. So from the after 12th only she understand how to earn the money digitally. This is one of the very good experience she gained it.
So, Insia, I would like to hear from you how, what was your learning journey? Because you're just, passed out from the high school and now pursuing the interior designing. So, I would like to hear from you. How was the experience from, the beginning to finish, and how you've contributed your part throughout this internship program?
Sure. So initially, as my mom said, I was like completely watching movies and all before all of this happened, because I just passed out of 12th and I wanted a break. So after that, like for a few months, then later on, I got to know about your course and all. I started writing blogs and all of that. So yeah, here and there, I was facing some like minor issues. But since we youth live in a millennial world, so it's easier for us to like grasp things. Yeah, so that is how I faced issues. I used to like Google it, and sometimes even mail you. Like, you were very supportive, and plus the intern community, like they were all so supportive. So yeah, and then later on, I think I faced my most issues while developing the website, because here and there were like so many technical issues and all.
But despite of the challenges, I saw that you
Yes.
do it. Yes, so that's
Yes.
That's the challenging part. She has accepted and she did it.
It was pretty interesting. Actually, I like facing challenges a lot. Like, when things come to me like in same daily boring routine, I mean, I don't get entertained. So I need something new always coming up. And yeah, that is the reason, in fact, why I chose my field of interior, because it's something that makes you think out of the box. And it's not the same daily work. Like, there are so many updations and new things coming up every day. So that is, and plus learning it now, like after high school and before my completion of my degree, the plus point is that once I pass out, like after my 4th year, I'll not have to wait to like get to know stuff like about digital platform and all of that. I'll know already how to like start on. Like I can start doing it now only, like publicizing my portfolios and all of that.
right.
So it's a great thing for me. Like, I'm really happy that I chose this.
As you fall from interior designing, so as soon as you pass out, you will definitely required to go digital, and you have to be digital influencer, educating people about interior designing, your portfolio, developing your own website, being a consultant, freelancer. Even though you work a company, you can do as a side hustle. So this experience definitely is going to help you out in becoming a digital influencer in interior designing niche, for sure, without
Of
any.
course. Yes.
So, moving forward, how this digital marketing internship has helped you professionally, which is allowed to achieve the goal almost instantly. Tell me, like the projects that you both have worked throughout this digital marketing internship program.
We actually in this assignment, normally the your assignment was itself enough to understand all the techniques and tools of the digital lifestyle, and only you have to increase in the number of we can say maybe you have given us one assignment, but if the same assignment we can understand, okay, we need not to do only one blog instead of making more blogs, then email marketing we have to do more, then Google ads, Facebook ads, after only if since we have a e-commerce website footwear, so the difficulty we are facing is the products. If we are trying to get the products from other sellers, actually in indoor everything is available. So now since the pandemic condition is there, so we are not my husband cannot able to go to other places and buy the stuffs more. So whatever is there, we are trying to first establish in the website, then if we will do some Google ads, Facebook ads, so it is little bit time consuming, but I think results will be more and more fruitful, because we know the website, we are putting a lot of efforts in designing and creative products, and we are giving a good quality products, good very affordable price also initially. So first thing is we have succeeded to develop at least one website. Now I have also started developing my own website. In that I will start my consulting, my coaching. I am having a lot of books. During the research period, I have we can say soft libraries there I have. So I was thinking how I will share with people if possible. So this is a good way I can keep so many books free, so people can come and read. In that way I can generate the organic traffic at least. Then slowly I will start giving free consultation. Whatever knowledge I have, I will start giving. Once many people will contact me through email or something, then I will start giving the webinar. After that, slowly I will slowly move to some even simultaneously I am trying to start some videos also, so to share whatever the corrosion related, oil and gas, whatever my knowledge I'll put into that. Slowly I'll develop the videos. I will start a YouTube channel. Plus I have to start my own lab. Right now physically there is no lab, because since I am here, but in future I have to start my lab. So all stuffs will come. I think that that website will be overloaded with so many things. So when people will come 100% without taking anything, will not leave that website. That level I will take it.
So
Yeah, and I'd like to add a point. Sorry to interrupt. That, like when a website is built, especially for e-commerce owners and all of that, it's like not all the customers like come and they just buy stuff at the first shop. People observe how the website is going, how the product is, the website good, really appealing or not. So I think my aim is to like build a really appealing website, so that when customers come and they look out for products, they find it appealing and they find it really good. Like that standard needs to be built.
right.
I'm trying to do that first, and then later on, when things try to become normal, when my dad purchases stuff from India, then we can enhance the business.
So amazing. I
Exactly.
mean, you both have utilized the digital marketing internship program to its fullest by working on both of your domain. Like you're working on footwears,
Yes.
and your mother is now working on her domain, which is Corazon, and now she's
Another thing is important. Before I have started this digital marketing with you, I have started this internship. I have asked many people I wanted to develop my website. They are asking, okay, 200 KD, 250 KD it will take. Better you go and find someone in India. They will make it maybe 50,000. I was thinking now not one website. I can make so many websites if I want. Only thing, this 2 website is free for me. So that is what I earned. No need to pay anything, even no need to give any maintenance charge to anybody. You are learning as well as you are maintaining, and you are making your platform so strong, and there is no limit for that. how much you want, you can grow. Only is three things. It's very important. First thing is your goal. What is your aim should be perfect. There should be no confusion in your aim. What you are going to target in your aim, it should be perfect. Second thing, your mind should be set for that. Okay, I have to do. That means how PhD I have taken. After 22 years, I have started my research. After my education, it's not a simple thing. When I target my aim, I have to finish even. So 4.5 years I finished. So once your mindset is there and you have to work out of the comfort zone, either day, night, time, you never see the clock when you start any work. So this is the three things which is the key, key things which will take you 100% success. That is my own experience, especially even when I have started writing blogs, the appreciation which I got it. So I think this is more than enough for me. That will automatically, it's difficult roads always leads to beautiful destinations.
Okay, so great. So basically, you both are full of enthusiasm, full of ideas, energy, and willing to conquer the world in your own spaces. And that's really great to know. And that's what actually motivates me to organize such kind of an digital marketing internship program for everybody out there who would like to do things, who would like to live a digital marketing lifestyle, basically, and who would like to create a wealth. In coming months and coming years. So I can clearly feel that you have got full of exposure and full of
very happy in the sense I can use my things, I can reach to my target customers. Nothing I know before. I know only my knowledge. I don't know how to put it on which platform I go, how I will search. I keep on asking many people. I keep on asking many people. Many people say, okay, you have to, you have to do the marketing. You have to tell somebody to market. Why somebody? Since I learned, so it is easy for me how to market, how to make my own market. That's very easy for me.
Absolutely.
This is one thing which I can say that you are the wonderful mentor, which you are just, I am telling, means in this condition, I can say, maybe people are thinking, okay, you mentors are taking a lot of money and you are, no, I think you are giving the knowledge which cannot be compared to the money. It's very, very less. Because once you are spending maybe 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 maximum, but in millions, whole life you can earn. That never counts it.
Absolutely. So lastly, what are the three things you would like to mention that has actually is like icing on the cake of this digital marketing internship program? What are the three things that you would like to name, basically? Yeah.
So it's like, I think the first thing would be like building a website. Like it's just not easy for anyone to like build a website, because the way you have taught us, it's like only professionals can build a website using all that coding and all of that, and normal people don't know how to do that. So I think your way is like absolutely, it plays wonders. And I think the second thing would be creating blogs and all of that. Like creating blogs and your story seller method, actually. Story seller method is just like crazy. It's really good. It attracts the correct target audience. So I think that is wonderful.
Third thing we can, because the main thing is your live mentoring class,
yes,
and the live coaching class. Each moment, if we never feel that we are alone, if we are facing problem, we feel no, there is someone we can ask him. Immediately we will get a reply. Or the intern community is something very good. Each moment they are ready to help each other. At least in 200 interns, if you find at least 2 people also, you are getting something out of that. So the way you have make the intern community in the different WhatsApp group, in the Facebook group, and you are personally, you and Sumit also helping you and helping us for sharing the views and giving the proper feedback. Sometimes you may missed, but he will reply. So this is like coordination between 2 mentors, and we are like getting full support from both sides. This is wonderful thing which I hope I never find in any other internship, because you will buy a course and you have to study everything by yourself. After that you feel bored and you say leave it, nobody is going to help and nobody's, but this is where interaction is the main part in this internship, which is really helpful.
Honestly, both of us never felt that we are speaking or interacting to strangers. It always felt like a family.
Like a family.
Yeah. So that was like great.
You know,
Like, seriously.
You can say very good feeling it is actually.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, so in the next 6 months, uh, where do you both see yourself leveraging the digital marketing internship in your own vertical, and how much of revenue you're expecting, like in the next 6 months you'll be able to make out of by putting your time, by investing your efforts into the marketing your skills, marketing your expertise, marketing your product. So what is your take on that?
Expecting actually once if we will do what we have decided, according to that, if we will grow up, so more than 1 lakh is minimum we can expect from the initial growth.
1 lakh a month, you're saying?
1 lakh at least, because now I have to develop my website first. I have to give everywhere minimum 1 or 2 months or maybe 3 months free coaching, free consultancy, everything. But in the e-commerce website, 100% we in 1 month we will start generating some sales. So depends on the, I will see how much organic traffic is getting. According to that, I will take the new steps to get more and more sales.
And
so I can't say exactly the money. It may be more, but only thing is we are confident that we will get.
Yeah, and in fact, your strategy of Facebook and Instagram ads, like that will help us and is helping us in future. Like it will help us a lot.
Because you said no, we always think different. So this is my same strategy. My also habit is there. Always when everybody thanks in the WhatsApp for mentors and this, that time automatically it came no, thank you by WhatsApp. Everybody is doing. I will do something else. So I just make one blog and everybody appreciate even. So I thought you have you happy with my idea. So I have written one blog.
Yeah, wonderful. So, I wish you all the best and success to both of you. I would like to tell to our audience who are watching this interview that if you want to get the admission in the digital marketing internship, the next batch is coming because it happens every 2 months. So if you want to be a part of it, just click on this link, which is right there in the description down below, and you can be a part of and have a success interns story like Dr. Fatima and Insia Safi. So again, Dr. Fatima and Insia, I would like to wish you the best for your future endeavors. And
thank you so much.
And I'm sure the challenge is going on, the digital marketing lifestyle challenge, and you do wonders in that, right?
Yeah, full speed.
Thanks.
To the next level.
Thanks a lot for your kind cooperation. You have given us wonderful chance to be with you in front of the audience. I'm really happy that I got this opportunity and have speak about myself. I hope all the audience who are watching me should take this, as a new opportunity, new things. If really they are wanted to achieve something in their life, they should really adopt the digital lifestyle, which is nowadays is a mandatory. It seems to be a mandatory now. Absolutely. So I really thankful to you and thanks a lot.
Yeah,
Thank you for interviewing us.